Good morning and Jai Hind students. In previous class I have explained about the factors and multiples. Now today I am going to explain you different types of numbers: even numbers, odd numbers, prime numbers, composite numbers, etc. So let us start with even numbers. So what is even number? So even numbers divisible by 2 are called even numbers. Means the number which are multiples of 2. In other words, what we say, the numbers which are multiples of 2 are called even numbers. Example of even numbers say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and dash dash etc. Okay. Now if big numbers has given to you and asked, okay, find whether it is even or odd. So what you do? Suppose I am giving you 5, 6, 3, 8, 1, 0, 0, 5, 0, 9, 3, 2, 6, 5, 2. Okay. So what you do, students? You see only the last digit, means digit present at ones place. See, digit present at ones place you have to see. When these digits are 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. So the numbers are called even number. Means these numbers are divisible by 2. They are called the multiples of 2. Okay. So since it is last digit is 8, so this is even number. Here last digit is 0, so this is also even number. Here it is 2, so this is also even number. Suppose I am giving 5, 6, 3, 2, 9. Since last digit is 9, it is not 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. So it is not even number. So this way you find the difference between the even and odd number. Okay. Okay. Now one question come to mind. When you add two even numbers, so what you will get? When you add two even numbers, suppose 6, 1, 4. This is even number. Other even number 2. So when you are adding, what you are getting? 6. Means this is also an even number. Suppose I am adding 2 and 4. Both are even number. What you are getting? Even number. So sum of always two even number. Okay, two even number. Suppose 3 even number I am adding 2 plus 4 plus 6. What is 12? Okay, so sum of always two even number is always an even number. Understand? When you add even number, so your answer will be even number. Now come to the odd number. What is odd number? Numbers not divisible by 2 are called odd numbers. Means the numbers which are not multiples of 2, they are called the odd numbers. Odd numbers starting from 1, then 3, then 5, 7, 9, 11 dash dash. All these are numbers are odd numbers. Or smallest odd number is 1 and smallest even number is 2. Okay, now big numbers has given to you 6, 3, 2, 5, 1, 9, 0, 0, 5, 0, 8, 3, 6, 9, 5 and asked find whether it is even or odd. So how you will find? See the last ones digit present at the ones place. Here it is what? 1. So you know that digit present at ones place if 2, 4, 6, 8, 0 are called the even, and when the digit present at ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, they are called the odd numbers. Means if it is not 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, the numbers are called odd numbers. So this is odd numbers. Here it is 0, so it is even number. What it is? Even number. Here it is 5, so it is odd number. Okay. One more example. 6, 3, 3, 5, 3. So last digit is 3, so it is also odd number. So this way you find the difference between even and odd numbers. Now let us see, when we add two odd numbers, what we are getting, even numbers getting or odd numbers getting. The sum of two odd numbers, one number, suppose I am taking 1 and second is 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. This is an even number. Other one 11 and 13, both are odd numbers. So what is the addition? That is 24. This is also an even number. Suppose other number 19 plus 3. So 9, 10, 12 carry 1, that is 22. Means sum of always two odd number is an even number. Okay. Now let us add three odd numbers. 3 plus 5 plus 7. 5, 3, 8. 8 and 7, 15. What it is? it is an odd number. Okay, so sum of 3 odd number is odd number and sum of 2 odd number is even number. Okay, so understand, I think you understand even and odd number. Okay, now let us come to the prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers means numbers having only two factors are called prime numbers. So what is the mean? You have already understand about the factors. What is factors? So to understand this, let us take example. Suppose I am taking 2. So first write the factor of 2. What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. See, it has how many factors? Only 2. 1 and 2. Okay. Now other example 5. Factor 1 and 5. It is also having 1 and 5. Other example 7. It is also 1 and 7. So these numbers are having only two factors, that is 1 and itself number. Two factors are called prime numbers, that is 1 and itself. Itself means the number itself. So these numbers are called prime numbers, means these numbers are divisible by only itself and 1. No other number can divide it. Okay, so these type numbers are called prime numbers, which are having only two factors, and that two factors are 1 and the number itself. So some prime numbers I am writing. The smallest prime number is 2. The smallest prime number is 2. After 2 it is 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, 13, after 13, 17, 19 and so on it will go. Okay, all these numbers are called prime numbers. Here you see all except 2, all these numbers are odd numbers. So all the prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. Only 2 is an even prime number and other all numbers are odd numbers. Okay, just keep it in the mind. Okay, now you see. Okay, now so this way you find the prime numbers if they are having only two factors. So students, you have to learn prime numbers between 1 to 100. How many prime numbers are present between 1 to 100? Okay, now come to the composite number. So composite numbers are the numbers having more than two factors, means numbers having more than two factors are called composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Just example, let us take the example 4. What are the factors of 4? 1, 2, 4. See, 3 factors. So since it is more than 2, so it is a composite number. Okay, now 6, it is also having 1, 2, 3 and 6, 4 factors. Okay, come to the 8, 1, 2, 4, 8. All these numbers having more than two factors. So numbers which are having more than two factors are called composite numbers, means it is divisible by 1 and itself and other number also. Okay, smallest composite numbers is 4, after 4 6, then 8, 9, 10, 12 and etc. Okay, so to find the prime numbers and composite numbers between 1 to 100, okay, to find the prime number and composite number from 1 to 100, a Greek mathematician Eratosthenes has given one method, okay, that you will understand through the video which I have shared, and from that video you learn all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Okay, now come to the twin prime number. What are twin prime numbers? So you see prime numbers I have written, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. All these are the prime numbers. Okay, all these are the prime numbers. 5, 7, then 11, 13. Okay, then 17, 19. All are these are the prime numbers. So twin prime numbers means if the difference between two prime numbers is 2, they are called twin prime numbers. Means two consecutive prime numbers. See, what is the difference between 2 and 3? That is 1. So this is not, they are not called the twin prime number. Now take the 3 and 5. First example is 3 and 5. The difference is 5 minus 3 equal to 2. So these numbers are called twin prime numbers. Now take 5 and 7. Second example, 5 and 7. What is the difference? 7 minus 5 equal to 2. So this is also twin prime number. Third, let us take 11 and 13. 11 and 13. Okay, 13 minus 11 equal to 2. So when you find difference between two prime numbers 2, then that prime numbers are called the twin prime number. Now other is co-prime number. What is co-prime numbers? Since it is written co-primes, it does not mean that the number should be prime numbers. Here it should be composite number also and prime number also. Always two prime numbers are called the co-prime numbers. What is the meaning of co-prime? Those numbers having common factor only 1, means numbers having common factor only 1 are called co-prime numbers. Let us see the example. 2. What are the factors? 1 and 2. 5. What are the factors? 1 and 5. So out of in both, which number factor is common? That is only 1. 1. This 1 is common. So these numbers are called the co-prime number. Second, suppose I am taking the example 8 and 15. Okay. See, both are composite numbers. They are not prime number. But to find the co-prime number, first find their factors. So factors of 8 is 1, 2, 4, 8. Now factors of 15, 1, 3, 5, 15. Now out of this, see which number is common? Only 1 is common, means 1 is the common factor. So 8 and 15 are called the co-prime number. So the numbers which are having common factor only 1, so these numbers are called the co-prime numbers. Okay. Now students, I am having two questions from your exercise 3.2. Just see what is the meaning of this. Question 6 it is, express the following as the sum of two odd primes. See here, 44 is given. So we have to write, we have to distribute into two parts. Okay. And that should be prime number and odd prime. So all the prime numbers are odd except 2, means we can't take the 2. So don't take the 2, and after that 3, 5, 7, whatever prime numbers out of this we have to take. So let us start from 3. So suppose I am taking one number 3. So what you will add in 3? So you will get the 44. Just subtract 3 from 44. You will get here 41. So 41 is also prime number and 3 is also prime, and both are odd. So we can write 44 as 3 plus 41. Okay. Now 36. 36 again we have to do the same way. 2 we can't take the 2 because it is even. So first take the 3. Subtract from 36. What you will getting here? 33. But this is prime, but this is not prime. So we can't take this 3 number. So we take the other option 5. So 5, subtract 5 from 36, you will get here 31. Yes, this is also prime number, this is also prime. So we can write 36 as 5 plus 31. This way we can do this question. Means first you take the 3, then if you are getting both number prime, so that you write. If you are not getting prime, then don't take this, take the next prime number. This way you can carry on this problem. Same problem here, express each of the following numbers as the sum of 3 odd primes. Odd here also given, means you can't take 2. So 21. First let us take the 3. Okay. So in 3, what you will let, so that you will get 21. That is 18. So 1 is prime. But now we have to distribute this 18 into two prime numbers. Okay. So since we have taken 3, now take the, what is left? 5. So 5 subtract from 18, what you are getting here? 13. See, 13 is also prime, this is also prime, this is also prime. So we can write 21 equal to 3 plus 5 plus 30, this way. Okay. Now take the same way, 31. First number take 3, subtract 3 from 31, what you will get? 28. Okay. Now distribute this 28 into two parts. First take the 5. Then what you are getting? 23. See, this is also prime, this is also prime, this is also prime. So you can write 31 equal to 3 plus 5 plus 23. Okay students, I think you understand this questions. Okay. Now I will give some question from exercise 3.2. You have to do it. Okay. Thank you.